Generate articles or write articles using AI. There are lots of AIs available for you guys that you can use to generate contents automatically without even writing it. This is one of my favorite softwares which I'm using for my own website, and I'm also publishing articles on website like Medium to generate money from it. All I do is put the title of the article I want, and this website generate article for me. I just copy and paste these articles. There are lots of tools inside this website where you can use to make money from it. I will walk you through step-by-step tutorial in this video. Number one, we're going to take a look at how to generate articles. That you can see there's lots of things that you can do with this website. I will cover that in the feature of the video. It's like a long series on Javas, or now they call jaspersaicom. So first thing, we're going to take a look at this one called long form assistant. If you click that, it will give two options. One, start from scratch, or blog post workflow. If you click this on open, what this is, you just give an idea of what kind of article that you want to write. So you're going to type like how to lose weight. This is the title of the article. It's the describing what kind of article that you want to write about. Okay. Now, after that, you can give your keywords. So you can give like lose weight, weight loss, something like that, right? Now you're going to click continue. And here you can give your own title, or you can click this one called generate ideas. Now, what happens is it will automatically generate a couple of title for you. You can see how to lose weight in healthy ways. So you're going to copy that for future use. I'm going to show you why, but continue now. Now, after your title is generated, you can see is you can select this one called, this is the one you're going to use, right? Use this one. Now, you can write your intro paragraph, and this AI will continue to write for you, or you can allow this website to write an intro paragraph. All you have to do is generate idea. Now, what happened is this AI going to generate a couple of intro for your title that you can see. You can see there's a three different intro for it. So you can click this one, go and use this one. And now this section is done. What happened is you use this AI to come up with the topic idea. So what you want to write about, you put the idea here. It automatically generates the title for your blog post or your articles, and automatically intro is generated. Now you're going to click this called open editor. Now here you can see here, this is your intro paragraph. What you can do is click enter here, and you're going to click this one called the output length is large, and click compost. What happened is this AI read your intro paragraph, and he started to write a article continuously for you. You can stop anything anywhere you want, and you can finish it with your own conclusion. For conclusion, what you can do is you read the articles and type the first sentence of the conclusion, and it will end the article for you. This is the one way. So if you go back again, and this is one called start from scratch. Okay, if you want to do this one, you need to have a topic idea on your mind. Already have a title for it. So that's why I copied that title earlier. You're going to copy and paste the title here. Content description, you're going to give idea to this AI, what kind of your articles you want to write. So you're going to copy and paste the title again, and you can leave it like that. And the tone of voice you can use like, and you can see, you can put Iron Man, witty, serious, something like that. So I'm going to put fun, something like that. Keyword, I'm going to put weight loss, weight, lose weight. And you're going to click this called output length is large, and you're going to click compose. Now what happens is, again, you're going to do the same thing. It will write the article for you guys. Now sometime it will write like a top 10 list. So you have an intro paragraph, then you have a 1, 2, 3, 4 points for the title of your article. So you can see I'll put how to lose weight in healthy way. You give my intro here, and you're going to see it will give you one key point, second and third one. So I can generate top 10 list from this AI, and you can use this article to make a YouTube videos. Or what you can do is, after you completely generate these articles, you can publish the articles on medium.com. From Medium, you can earn money by publishing an article on Medium. At the same time, because you are writing articles on health and niche, you can promote affiliate products on this. What you can do is copy and paste the article to Medium, put the link inside it, and whenever people read the articles and they click the link, they buy a product, you make additional money from it, guys. You can see it generate up to 4 points, which is around 500 words. If you add another 6 points, which are around 100 to 1200 words, which is enough to make around 5 to 6 minutes YouTube videos. So you have a content automatically generated for you that you can use to publish that content in different websites, and you can make money from affiliate marketing. Again, guys, I will make a detailed videos on how to make money using this website, these articles in the future. All you have to do is watch this series until the end. All right, guys, there's a bonus point. There's a bonus for watching these videos. There's a link in the description. If you click and sign up for Jasper AI today, you can climb up to 10,000 words free, which means you can create a free account with it today, and you can use 10,000 words to create any article that you want. It's completely free without any copyright claims or anything, guys. You can generate, say for example, 1,000 word article you want to generate, you can generate up to 10 articles each 1,000 word using this AI for free. Now, why is giving this for you guys? You can play around this website if you are writing a blog post, or if you want to make money using this website, or if you want to write an article which is difficult for you to write an article. This website is good for you guys. So use that free trial, understand this website, and make sure if this website is useful for you, then only go for upgrade plan. There are two different phone plans are here. One is 29 per month, one is called 99 per month. I'm paying 120 pounds per month. Actually, it's not available at the moment. They removed it, but when in the beginning they had it. That one is called Bose plan. It's the same thing with the plus mode. So which means I have an unlimited word, but this Bose mode only have 100,000 word, which is enough for you guys, which is $99 per month. But if you already started, you can go with 20,000 word per month. So basically, if you are generating articles 1,000 word, you can generate 20 articles per month using a starter plan. Again, use the free trial and understand it. If this website is useful, then only go for the upgrade, guys. I hope, guys, you understand these videos. Again, guys, if you watch this video continuously, I'm going to publish as a series, then I'm going to walk you through all the other tools that you can use, like a blog post, topic ideas, rewriting contents, creating a story, and creating Google ads, creating amazing product plans and everything. I will walk you through that. Other than this, you can see you can use this website to generate a topic idea for YouTube. You can write a script outline for YouTube, video title for YouTube, video introduction for YouTube, video description for YouTube, guys. There's a lots of things you can do with it. I will make different videos for each section. All you have to do is watch this video, subscribe to my channels, and so don't miss a future video, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.